It's here. They're looking at you. Hey, it's it. Okay, let me open the door, girl. Come here. Hey. Hey, be careful, Cookie. It's your friend. Wait. Hey. You recognize either. Be careful. Hey, be careful your feet and your nails, girls. Look at Milka. Milka. She's going to play with that. You can put it up. Okay. You have. What did you do? She just did it. Oh my gosh, girls. I think you need to go outside and pee. Just behave now. Milka! Kissing. It's funny, Milka is climbing up on your back. Hey girls. She's climbing up on you.
Oh, hi. Hi, both of you. Hi, girls. Hi.
Ang kulit ni Milka. Yours. You want to kiss you. Yeah.
You're so cute. He's touching you, girls. He's smart. I know. Hi.
I think they smell you that you have dog too. They say like, I just heard like that.
Boy doggy. He's a little one. Yes, he's just a little boy. Hi. Hi, girls. Hi.
You forgot mommy.
I know.
They forgot mommy instead of hugging mommy. They forgot mommy. It's only Eder. Look at Cookie.
Hi. Hi, pretty girls. Hi. Oh.
Milk.
Oh, you guys want to go outside?
Cookie.
Want to dance?
Milka is checking on your bag. You see, they look like that. They're like that. They keep checking everything on my plastic bags every time I come home.
You still have my hairnet on, girls. Oh my goodness.
Cookie, that's not a toy.
No, you don't want that.
You can put up here.
Oh, yeah.
I say, I'm jealous. I want you to pet me.
Okay. Are you gonna eat my hair?
Cookie. You see?
Hi. Oh, and I'll cut you. Oh. It's all about you. Okay. Okay. No, like I said before, my hand is not a toy. My hand is not a toy.
You're so
You're so cute.
She needs
You're both so cute. You're big up. Oh.
Good. She needs to meet your, you know what? I don't know.
You're messing up my
Our
hair.
neighbor came here.
You're messing up my hair.
They just greeted her, something like that. Milka was so calm.
You were barking at Heather, huh? Yeah. You tried to come in and you were like, no, guarding my mommy. I'm guarding my mommy. I'm guarding my mommy.
She's naughty girl.
What are you doing with that left foot? Huh? Huh? What, you don't like my... Oh! Oh!
Cookie, be careful. You're kicking me.
Oh, no. She's kicking you. Tell her, Milka. Get her, Milka. Tell her about it. Tell her. Get her, Milka. Tell her. She just lets you do whatever, doesn't she? Yeah?
Good. No jumping, Cookie. No. Her back is so big. Okay, no jumping, okay? She's naughty girl. You see?
So much energy.
Yeah, that's why I say he's so happy to be in the car. She knows she's going to...
Yes, hi.
Oh, like...
Whoa. Oh, what are you doing?
Is he?
What are you doing?
She really wants you to pet her.
Okay, I'm petting you. Oh, this spot right there.
Look at her eyes and say, please, please pet me. You happy? You have your friend back?
Cuddles.
Hey! Oh!
What? No, it's bad. Bad cookie, no. Yeah, bad cookie. That's hurt you. That'll hurt the puppy dog. Bad cookie. No, bad. No, bad. No.
No.
Yes? No.
No?
No. 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 Yeah, no.
She's sitting like an old.
That's bad. That'll hurt you. That'll not go through your tummy very well, your intestines. It'll hurt the puppies. Oh. You're not going to do it again? You promise? Shake hands on it? Shake hands? You're going to be good? Okay, shake hands.
You're a naughty
Shake
cookie.
hands. Okay, we're shaking hands on it. Okay. Shake hands. Okay. Okay. We're going to be good? Yeah? Okay. Okay, we're going to be good. Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Milka&Cookie. Come here, Kit. And for today's video, guys, we have our guest. It's Cookie's friend, Heater.
No.
Look at them. Okay, see, I'm jealous. She stole my friend. My dog stole my friend, my only friend in US, and she stole it. So guys, for today's video, I think Cookie was so excited to join with us here. Heather joined with us here. So I think Cookie was so excited with that. And for today's video, we're going to have Halo-Halo because Cookie's friend Heather want to try Halo-Halo for the very first time. And she used to watch this Halo-Halo and she in a YouTube video, and she asked me about it. So I say, I think you better try this one time, and here we are. We're going to do this, and let's see if she's going to like Halo-Halo, Filipino Halo-Halo dessert. Alright, so in our ingredients, we actually bought some like fruit mix in syrup from Asian store, and another one is a jar of fruit mix Halo-Halo syrup from Asian store as well. So it's a kind of mixed fruits. It's already completed, so all we have to do is just put it in our bowl and mix with ice and some other ingredients. Okay, let's try our guest to do this. Just try to put everything.
This
What
one?
do you think? Yeah. You can like this. It's actually the same. Woo! Let's try. For the first time, I have an American friend who's going to try Halo-Halo. She knows jackfruit, but I don't know if she likes it, but she knows it.
I've never tried it.
Is it the jackfruit?
I've seen it, and I've heard it's really good as a
Yeah.
like barbecue jackfruit and stuff, but I've never tried it.
It's good for like, you need to get some of those beans at the bottom.
They've always come out. More?
After you just do it more. Divide this one to the two cans.
This one?
Two bowl, I guess, yeah. I think that one is okay. Let's set aside this, and if you would like it, you can bring home and try to your parents and sisters.
Is that too much juice?
Oh my god. My boy. I'm so sorry, guys. So, I'm sorry, guys. So, guys, as you can see, the ingredients that we have here is nata de coco. This is nata de coco. So green beans. It's the beans. And I think we call this in the Philippines kaong. There are some like, this is like a coconut, fresh young coconut. And I've seen like a jackfruit. Here, other one is, the other girl is here checking on us if it's already done or not. Wait a minute, honey, we're just making. We're just making, and you're gonna try this later on, okay? Okay. Okay, high five. Okay. And this one, we have a piece of banana, but this is not the same the banana that you have here. This is a different kind of banana where you can only find in the Philippines. We call this saba. Yeah. So that's all what we have now. do the halo-halo in a simple way. So, yan. Very good. I'm just mixing it. And hitherto, since the ice is quite different than what we do in the Philippines, I don't know if this will taste good or not. Let's see.
Oh no.
Look at this. Yeah, it still tastes halo-halo. But the real ingredients, yeah, it's halo-halo, guys.
Not a big bowl.
But we don't have that guinea pig thing.
Oh.
She said it's so cold. I don't know, it's so cold. Made of ice. I have sensitive teeth. Yeah, I know. So guys, I'm going to give my girls with the halo-halo, so they can also try the halo-halo because they're waiting.
You wanna try?
They're waiting for this one. So,
Try it.
all
There they are.
I'm going to do is give them halo-halo. I just don't give them these ingredients because I'm not sure if they're
The
good
jelly?
to them. Yeah, the jelly. I'm just going to give them like the milk and the sauce. But I know dogs can eat different things. Different kinds of food. Hey girl, especially the ice. Cookie always like playing ice.
That's why you came running when you heard the ice,
Yeah.
wasn't it?
Yeah,
Where'd you go?
her daddy always giving her ice every time he came in the kitchen and get some ice for her tea, his tea. So girls,
Cookie.
okay.
Go.
So guys, I'd like to give my girls halo-halo. I'd like to see if they're going to try it.
Cookie, come here. Oh, no? You're ignoring me? Come here.
Get.
Come on.
Here's your halo-halo milk. Hey, not for you, girl. Try it. Hey, try it. Here's your halo-halo, girls. They're trying. How about with me? Hey, you don't like it? It's so picky. You're so juicy. You like it? You don't like it? Or you want the one from Peter? It's like that. How about you, Matt? You don't like much? Too sweet? Are you diet, girl? It's with ice cream, but you eat ice cream. You eat ice cream. I think because of the cold. It's cold. Come here, Nick. Come here. Where's the cookie? Give me. How can you get this ice? Look at Cookie's bowl. It's only the ice in the bowl. How about milk meat? Milk meat is still a lot. Your bowl keeps moving, girls. Mommy will hold it for you. Hey girls, it's a halo-halo. finally done tasting the halo-halo. So now I'd like to ask Heather her reviews about halo-halo, Filipino halo-halo dessert. So what can you say about halo-halo? Our very own halo-halo special.
It was good. It was refreshing. It was very, very cold.
Yeah, especially with this kind of weather. It's really hot
Nice.
here in Texas, and having halo-halo is really nice.
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you are new. So guys, see you next time.
I'll have to come over again, okay? You guys be good girls, okay? I'll see you later.
She dried up her body now.
My goodness. Oh, okay.
You girls can have a Kentucky later on.
I feel like I'm forgetting something, but I don't
What is that? How about your phone?
I got my phone in the bus. I think I'm
Something
good.
else.
Okay.
That's what you all have.
Bye,
If you forgot,
baby. Have a good evening.
why say bye bye to Heather girls.
Bye, thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bright and early.
Huh?
6:30.
6:30, yeah.
It's gonna be fun. It's not gonna be
Wait a minute, wait.
Okay.
They're so like excited. There, not in daddy's cars. Say bye to Heather. Bye girls. Bye bye. Let's go. Say Heather's going.
My car. Tiny car.
Hey,
My tiny little car.
bye.